Hi, welcome to part 3 of my videos on navigating my Google Sites. Now, these are my weekly reflections. I only did week 1 weekly reflection as our teacher wanted us to focus more on our multi-genre research project, so we just didn't do any more reflections. So this is my first reflection where I was just explaining that I don't really like entering into academic conversation with people because I know my immediate vocabulary isn't meant for academic conversation. If you were to speak to me personally, I do like to talk a lot, but most of my words are slang words or more casual, like I'm speaking now. And this is where I find academic writing as a lifesaver. I'm one of those people where when I need help from a professor or anybody that I'm not close with, I'm more comfortable texting them or emailing them in that way because I can make sure that my vocabulary and grammar is more formal and in a more higher academic standard when I message them versus when I speak to them. I tend to say something stupid. I don't know why. I just get nervous for some reason, even though I like talking to people. It's something weird about me. I'm introvert but an extrovert at the same time. Now, over this reflection, I went over a reading that we were going over, and I had just explained my feelings on it as far as it did inform me of new information that I would be using to advance my academic writing. So hopefully, honestly, at this time and moment when I have written this, I just hoped that my proficiency in academic conversation and academic writing would just increase and get better. So that's just really what it is. I did write my last reflection as of today. Now, over the semester, I did feel as though I could not express what I learned through my work. I did learn a lot through this class. I learned what a multi-genre project is, and I did save some new information as far as the readings that she gave us on how to correctly or most effectively peer review somebody's writing. And in these 2 months, it went by really fast. I wasn't really prepared for this class and I was behind all my work, but it did force me to go into a place where I had to learn faster than I normally do. And personally, I felt like I wasn't as efficient as everybody else, but all I know is I did complete my work and I learned how to critically think and write. And I'll be honest with you, at the beginning of the semester, if you told me what critically thinking was, I would just tell you that it's thinking critically. But after this class, I feel like it's more than that. Over the 2 months that I was in this class, I had to figure everything out by myself. I did have my teacher, but she was busy. Everybody else in our class was busy. It was truly like every man for themselves. And I felt like I had that time to really find out and think and figure it out on my own without any help, in which I think that is the true meaning of thinking critically, which is figuring something out on your own without help. And I honestly feel like that is very important, and hopefully that would help me in the future as far as academic conversation and academic writing. Now, I am super happy that I did take this class. I did feel rushed. Yes, it was very stressful, but I wouldn't have had it any other way. I was behind all my peers, but I was put in a position where I did complete my work faster than I normally would, which is honestly a plus on my side. So, thank you. You can go ahead, and this is the end of the video. We'll go on to part 4 in the